Okay, started. Okay. Deep divide into Power BI data visualization. Okay. So Power BI provide different visualization to represent the data. How to represent the data? Using bar graph, column chart for the comparison, line chart for trends, pie chart and donut chart for proportion. Map is geographical analysis, and cards for KPI. Okay. So we already use how to draw a bar chart, a column chart, so that we can compare the data. Let me show you. Let's suppose I created a bar chart. Go to order sheet, click on column, first column bar chart. Yeah, we already did this in the beginning of the class. Just comparing the data. Let's suppose I want to compare with the cells. Okay, and compare. Let's suppose a category or subcategory. And another graph, maybe column chart. Better, I'm going to copy. Okay, so already we discussed, that's why I'm not going to modify or anything. Just for your idea, I just created it. See, so if I said a bar graph or a column graph, we can compare. We can compare the data. See, different data have different size of bar. Okay, bar and column. All right. Same way, a line chart. If you create a line chart, you will say the trends. Let me create a line chart. Okay, I'm going to select the order date, and I want only the year, just removing the days and the thing and the sales, so that we can understand what are the trendings in the sales. See, like this, and also include subcategory. Okay, subcategory. See, so that we can understand the trends. If you activate the data level, go to visualization. No, so the value is looking small, but just for example, I show you. So we can understand the trends, which trends is going on currently. Okay, that's it. And these are already we discussed now in the beginning of the class, everything. So that is Power BI provide different visualization representation. Okay, example, sales, total sales in card. We can already see how to create a total sales. Just use card, click on the card, click on total sales. Oh, not something 12 point something value. Yeah, 12.64 million. And sales by region, we compare the bar, okay, and monthly sales line chart. So this way we can use how to provide different visualization for present data. Then understanding Power BI view and Power Map. So Power View, now part of Power BI visualization, interactive dashboard, drag and drop feed. So we created a dashboard like this and drag the data and drop into the selected fields. Okay. So we get a proper dashboards. Then Power Map. So geographical data. We already discussed about the map. This map. It's very easy. Map and the field map. Okay. So that is called geographical data. Example, country map and cells bubble size. Bubble size for the cells. Okay, if you want, we can create like this. Click on map. We have to activate the map. I think you know the procedure, how to activate the map. You know, no? Go to the setting and all. Okay. Then click on country. Click on profit. And wait for some time. Processing. And bubble size. See, like this. If you click on the category, it's again divided into the category. Okay, wait, divided into three parts. See? Okay. And if you want, you can click on the quantity also. So their size may be differentiate. According to the quantity, their size will change. So that is about the this power view for the map and all. Okay. Then yes, then data visualization technique, like technique and the uses. How comparison. If you want to a comparison data, we use bar chart. If you want to trends, we use line chart. So we can understand trending product, distribution, histogram, relationship, scatter plot. So we don't know how to create a scatter plot. If composition, pie chart. Okay. So these are the technique and uses. What kind of use you want from data, and so you can select the graph. So best practice to create a better dashboard and charts. So to avoid too many colors. Okay. Use clear label. Label should be clear. Highlight important KPI, that is key performance indicator. KPI in a Power BI show how well a business is doing by comparing. Okay. Actual value, what is happening now. Target value, what you expected or planned. Trend over the time, how performance is changing. Okay. So this way we can best practice to create a better dashboards or reports if we follow these kind of things. Page layout and formatting. Okay. Go to format the page, adjust background themes like the, if we go to the page, let's suppose I using this graph, go to format, then wallpaper, I choose background color like this, so that their appearance would be nice. Then go to format page. This is the format page, already in format page. Then themes, we can change the themes also. All right, there is so many themes, no? See, if I click on this, and effect we can create. Background color, I'm going to give a background color. Okay, like this. Then alignment, we can align the graph like this, adjust it. Okay, convert this corner shape into the borders and they change their border size. So everything we know, right? Already we are aware with all the things in the previous class, but we have in the syllabus, so I'm going to step by step. Then grid layout, we can change the grid layout also. Series, level, market. Depending on the graph, you will get according to the graph. Okay, grid line here. See? Not depending upon the charts. See, now it's visible. Here, dotted line. So you can create a grid also. If I convert this grid color, maybe black, and this grid color also black. Now it's visible, no? So you can create a grid also. Use dark theme dashboard, align visual properly. Okay, so we already know how to do all the things. How to align, how to give themes and color in the background. Power BI desktop visualization. Okay, step to create visual. Load the data set. Okay, select visual type. Drag the field like axis category, value measure. Okay, example. Axis we choose region and in value we choose cells like this. Here I choose cells into, see, in y axis I choose subcategory and axis count cells. Okay, like axis region and value cells. Like this we can choose, drag and drop. Okay, and loading the data. How to load data? Easy, very easy. Yes, go to home or somewhere, select the get data, select these things and choose the data. What are the sources? You can select the source type. Okay, then we have formatting and customizing visuals. So activate the data label, you know how to activate it. Title, you also know how to increase the title size. Color, you know how to increase the color. And the legends, you know everything. Yes, see, if I want, I can select this, go to data label, go to format, and then go to data label, on. Once on, it's visualize here. If you want, you can increase the size of, give a dark color so that it, see, bold. Okay, then it's saying about title, we can change, give the title, go to the general, go for title, uh, then choose into the middle, increase the size, bold. If you want italic, you can do italic. If you underline, underline it. Change some more deep color like dark red. Fine. Then if you want color, we already changed ligands area. So ligands is not there. We have to first activate the ligands. We have to put something into the ligands. Ligands is empty. So I'm going to put category. See. Now if you want, go to format paint and choose the ligand, and I want to drag here. It's here. I want to put here. So right hand side, center right. Okay. Yeah. Then title. Then wait. Ligand text. Increasing the size so that changing some more. Now ligand is visible also. If you click on focus mode, everything is visible. Done. Visualization interaction. Control how visual affect each other. Okay. Click visual. Go to format, edit interaction, choose filter, highlight, none. Go to visual, format, edit interaction, filter, highlight, none. So we can choose it, whatever the necessary things. Okay, like axis, ligands, we can change it, all the things. Filter, like click north region, filter all the value. Then select the graph, ligands, general, or maybe visual, this visual. And if I select the date, let's suppose I choose a date. So we can modify the date or maybe subcategory. See, we can choose the category, any category like this. Activate. See, remove. Okay. Then we have a custom visualization in Power BI. Okay. So click three dots. Select get more visual. Import from the marketplace. See here. Click on this three dot. Already yes, we have already so many options here. And if you want, we have to click more value. Go to get more visual. And enter your email address. If you have a registered email address, you can get it and click. So I'm not going to try it. Maybe it will pay it or something like that. So whenever you are selected in a company, maybe they will give you the email address or something like that. You can enter into that and then you can continue. Then we have top down and bottom up analytics. So top down, start from summary, go to deeper. Example, total sales, region and the city. Okay, it's come into the sequence. Okay, then bottom up, start from details and aggregate. Example, customer, product, total sales. Okay, so let's suppose for top down, I'm showing with this line chart. Okay, so select the line chart, and if I cancel this date and again click on order date, see, year, quarter, month and days, it's automatically come in the top down, total sales, region and the city. Here, year, quarter and the month. So you can choose any one. Just I'm going to choose the year, cancel the other option. So it give a better graph. Then up in bottom of reverse way. First customer, then product, then total sales. Okay. Or maybe I choose this. Like customer name, product name, and total sales. See, so many customers are there. That's why it's coming like this. Okay. So better if I create subcategory, then we will get some visualization technique. This way we can use top, down and bottom up. After that, drill down. So drill down, explore hierarchy level. Add hierarchy like year, month and days. Already we have seen this. Enable drill down bottom. Click year goes to the month. Right. Drill down. Year, month and the days. Explore hierarchy level. Enable drill down button. Drill through. Enable. Let's maybe this will show. Wait. If I activate the date here, come like this, drill down. So we can click on goes to month. For month, we have to remove other things like this. So it shows the sum of cells and subcategory according to the month wise. After that, we have drill through. What is this drill through? Navigate to the another page with filter date. Okay. Let's suppose we have this page. Just I'm going to minimize it, or maybe any website. So create a new page, add a field to drill through filter, Right click, drill through. Here, drill through. Go to view. New page. Drill through. Why it's not activated? Hold on. This option is activated by wait. And create an arrow. I don't know why. Through. Wait. If I click on this, through on. If I add something into this, maybe entity here. Yes, now it's added. See, button is created here. Here and uh, hello. Yes, Abhi. Are you there? Okay, fine. I think you want some. Yeah, so we create a drill through. Yeah. Yes. So when you click on this, so it will take you some another page like this. When you touch, it says control and click here to go back. Control click. Okay, control button and then click on this. So it will go to the next page. Yeah, control plus this one. It will take you to the this one, this page. Yes. Okay. So that is drill through. Navigate page. Insert button. How to insert button? Let's suppose I created this graph. go to view, insert, click button. Let's suppose I click on this left button. Created here. Again, if I want, I can click on right button. Or maybe only this button. So after that, select action, page navigate, select destination page, press Ctrl plus arrow. On this page. See here, action on and choose back or maybe any action, whatever the action you want. It's a back or clear all, apply, like whatever you need, you can select. So when if you want to use this, use control and then click arrow. See, go to the another page. So action you can choose according to your need. Bookmark. Bookmark into the view. Here bookmark. Like we use bookmark, no? Same way we can use like here. Add bookmark. Write whatever you want to write here. Yeah, edit. Edit like comparison underscore cells. Like this we can bookmark. Add one more like this. Just for example, I'm writing profit. That's all. If you go to the view, it says here. You can change it like this. Okay, so that is bookmark. Then we have a selection pane. Show and hide the visual. Go to view, selection pane, and toggle visibility. Go to view and go to selection pane here. See, if I click on this, hide, unhide. Okay, so that is selection pane. And we have comparing volume versus value based on analytics. So volume based and value based. So quantity versus count, revenue versus profit. So create a graph like that. Let's suppose I just remove all. Go to page 6. Quantity versus count. Just two graphs. This graph. Quantity is where here. Sum of profit. If I click on another graph, same graph. Revenue, total sales versus profit. this way we can create the graph. Volume based and value based. DAX formula. We are mastering DAX formula, no? How to create DAX formula. So go to new measure. Already we know everything, no? Because I discussed everything. Uh, That's yeah, small. Yes. But for the main thing we already discussed. How to create this, go to this, create and all. Small things like visual, drill, arrow, these are not included. So creating DAX formula, just click on new measure and total sales. Just create a formula, simple formula, total revenue or average. I'm going to use this one, comparison. Better, yes. Total sales is already there. Let me create it. It's slow, man. No problem. So create a sales DAX formula like this, okay? And just compare it. It's simple. Create a DAX formula for total quantity and total revenue. And put this formula, you will get some graph. Second first time. Yeah, now it's coming. So remove the cell and order quantity you have to choose. Where total here. Now I'm going to create again one more form. Better we go to the next page. Click on again measure. Sum of sales amount. So remove the cells and put order cells. Done. Created two formula. The fourth formula is average. Average price. Now, so we created three DAX formula: total quantity, total revenue, and average price, something like that. Now, go for visual. So visualization, quantity uh, column chart and revenue line chart. Okay, and combine both using combo chart. So combo chart, here is the combo chart where it is combo chart. The total sales card, user card here. Total sales. And sales by region, bar chart. Sales by region. Sales by region. Where is the region? Region. Okay. Then quantity versus revenue, combo chart. Quantity versus revenue. I think this one. Quantity versus revenue. Then monthly trends line chart. So we can use monthly trends. Now sales, then go to date, and we need month only. What happened? Why it's not coming? Oh, it's still processing. Here. So this way we can create all, and I think we are aware of this. But when we go through the topic, we get things in a detail. So that's all about this unit. Okay. Now we will come for the jump for the sixth module. Okay. Tomorrow. 8 a.m. Okay. Close. Stop the class now. Bye bye.